So we got this situation. The coefficient of x power 13 in the expansion of this and this. Now look at this. This person is also ugly because it will carry how many terms? 6 terms. And this is so super ugly. Correct now. So we cannot think about the individual entity and we will organize the fight. Okay. So rather first we will try to do simplification. Okay, so it is 1 minus x power 5. Now please observe this series. So it is 1, then x square, then x cube. So don't you think it is following some pattern? Exactly, it is gp of how many terms? 4 terms. Okay, we can also approach this idea. Look at this. 1 plus x. I will take x square common. We will be left with 1 plus x. So we can go with factorization also. And suppose that you got the idea of GP, you can apply that as well and still you will get the same result. Okay. So can I write this thing as 1 minus x power 5? Okay, and then we will be writing 1 plus x common. We will have 1 plus x square power 4. So it is 1 minus x power 5, 1 plus x power 4, and then 1 plus x square power 4. Okay, now look at this. Just try to observe this part. It is a plus b, a minus b, but the power is creating problem. So look at this, how I will handle this situation. 1 minus x power 4, 1 plus x power 4, okay, and then 1 minus x, 1 plus x square power 4. Can I do that? Yes, we can. Okay, now look at this two thing. Can I say that power is same? So if power is same, base will be multiplied. So can I write 1 minus x square power 4? Because base is being multiplied, na? The power does not get affected. Sorry. Now look at these two person. Okay. So this time again base is same. Sorry, power is same. So base will be multiplied. Okay. So what we'll do? We can write 1 minus x, then 1 minus x power 4 power 4. Okay. Now what do we want? We want x power 13. Okay. Now look at this. So just try to observe this part. So this expansion will carry what? X power 4 power 0. Yani you will have x power, you can have x power 0, then x power 4 power 1, x power 4, x power 8, x power 12, x power 16. You cannot have any element other than this thing. Okay, now look at this thing. Suppose this is team A and this is team B, and we want to organize the fight, and fight will be organized between the person whose after product the coefficient of x will be 13. So suppose that one wants to fight. So 1 is having x power 0. So he will fight with whom? X power 13. But in next team we don't have x power 13. This means this one cannot fight. Now we have this. Okay. So this, if this, and we are interested in coefficient only, so required number. So this x wants to fight, so he will fight with whom? X power 12, then only you can have x power 13. So I'll write coefficient only. So the coefficient of this thing is -1, and to make power 12 we have to make like the power of x power 4 should be 3. Okay, so it is 4c3 minus 1 power 3, because here is minus now. Okay, and it will contribute to coefficient. If it is only like positive x, then so it is okay. Okay, now look at this. So we got minus 1 power 3, so minus 1, so minus and minus 1 will become plus 1, and you have 4c3, so 4c3 value is 4. So the coefficient of x power 13 in the given expansion is 4. I hope you got the approach and you can handle similar situations. Okay.